Welcome to our channel. Typing indicators in OneDrive help you see when collaborators are actively working on shared documents. Here's a quick guide to understand and use this feature. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.live.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Select a document you want to work on collaboratively, such as a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation. The document must support real-time collaboration. Step 3. Click on the document to open it in Office Online. Real-time collaboration features, including typing indicators, are available when editing in the browser. Step 4. Share the document with collaborators by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Enter their email addresses and grant them editing permissions. Step 5. When another user begins editing the same document simultaneously, you'll see their presence indicator. This appears as a colored flag or avatar in the top right corner of the document. Step 6. As collaborators type, you'll see their cursor and selections highlighted in their assigned color. This shows exactly where they're working in real time. Step 7. Watch for the typing animation that appears next to a user's cursor when they're actively typing. This indicator pulses or shows movement to indicate activity. Step 8. Click on a collaborator's avatar to see their current location in the document. This helps you navigate to see what they're working on. Step 9. Enable presence notifications in OneDrive settings if you want alerts when collaborators join or leave the document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.